Hello, this is my video for the second ICP of the web development and mobile development course. So let me start with the first question, and this is the first question, the first assignment or the first task that we are given to create a simple web page called the index HTML. So I just tried out all my best creating some heading tags, starting with the div and anchor tags, experimenting on images. Later on, I started with an H3 tag, H4 tags, paragraphs, and the paragraphs I added some spans so that they could the in block and block and inline elements. You can see that clear. And I will take given some lists like the UL unordered lists and the OL ordered lists, and then I added some basic elements in there. So I also did two videos, one from the local storage, which I've saved as the Flower Web VDI, and also from the YouTube using iframe. And the page almost looks like this, with some images that you can click on and they transfer you to an source where I pull them from, like a YouTube controller page. And I also had some links to click on for my ICP files, which will directly take to my repository where I stored these files, so you can check on that too. So this is the basic code for the first assignment. I just did it like a rough picture one, nothing ordered or something. So for the second one, about the Google task that we are given, I have done some basic HTML coding for that too. Starting with my index page, I just added the notification bell icon, and the profile pic here. Later on, you can see the recent grids. I named them lat, where I put the grid structures like the grid where the recent tabs or some of the bookmarks are shown. This is my style, the CSS file. So I used some flex and also some div containers in here. So these are I also had some hover animation to it, like something that is a bit different. So my Google page almost looks like this, and it has an icon and with a picture in a circle as mentioned, and also I have a little extra effects to it. So when you hover onto these recent pages, so you can just feel them getting highlighted with a border and the hover radius. So when you click on them, you just go to the page. That was my second task. And coming to my third task, I had used the divs and span as mentioned, and I created an basic structure of different colors. I used inline styling so that I could differentiate the different kind of colors very easily, rather than using the IDs for each of them. So this was my HTML page. I use some divs and some spans for the inline blocks so that they can come in a whole manner. I use some classes also for this, and this is my CSS for the grid structure, a small CSS work which I did. And this page almost does look like does give an effect of something like this, the basic effect. I also added some margin so that my grids are not too up into the border. For the whole sector of that, I put them all into an div and each line into separate divs and use span for each grids. So that was the basic and overall ICP of the second ICP that I did. So I hope you're satisfied by it, and I hope this is something I'm just trying on new. So thank you.